Good morning, students. Today we will do grammar work. First of all, you will put the date 14th July 2021. Then HW homework. It's Wednesday today. In the next line, you will write grammar work. In next line, you will write phonic sound of I. SIT sit. FIT fit. BIT bit. PIT pit. HIT hit. KIT kit. WIT wit. LIP lip. SIP sip. TIP tip. DIP dip. HIP hip. NIP nip. ZIP zip. I hope you understood. Thanks.